What if I told you that this hairbrush used to be a river pollution, and just few hours ago it looked like this? Yet all of this trash can be used to make kayaks, carabiners, sparkling water bottles and many other items. Let me show you how it can be done. I've joined River Savers community in Hungary, and first of all we need to get our raw materials. That's why we got on the kayaks for a ride at this beautiful place. It looks stunning from the above, but when we zoom in, we find a lot of plastic and trash. Most of it got stuck on the riverbeds, that's because the water level constantly changes. But there are also of course a lot in the river itself. And actually the problem is not to find the trash, but try to fit it all on our canoe. Then we have to bring out all of the bags which everyone collected on the shore. And by the way, yellow are for metal and plastic, green for glass and black for non-recyclables. The bags down there, that's what our team managed to collect just in 3 hours. Although you can see that the area is very beautiful and seems clean. As usually when you go to the shore you find a lot of plastic. But what's cooler, the hard plastic, like plastic cups, they will be molded into new products. And that's why our next step is waste separation. We separate everything right now. Different type of plastic, metal, glass, light bulbs and so on. Everything will be sent to the proper recycling facilities, except HDPE and PET plastic, which is mainly from bottle caps or some detergent containers, because we will need it to create something new.
We do it from the caps. It's very easy to melt in a high range of temperature from 180 to 220. Just shred them.
We dropped cups into the shredder and got such plastic flakes. Then we put them into melting machine, and as a result we'll have such a sticky plastic melty paste.
Now the shredding?
And that's it?
Yes, it's ready.
It's happened so fast. Nice.
Let's see.
Wow, that's so cool.
This time we could easily remove this injection part.
It's still warm.
Yes. If we can sell it, we found our next river saver actions and spread the idea that these plastics is valuable. Ordinary oven with which you can melt plastic if you have molds for this. Press under this. We are testing this to make writing boards. Like this. That's a writing board, or I don't know how can I say.
Yeah, simple item.
Yeah.
And it's not only small plastic items which are made from recycled plastic, but actually the whole this center. Here's like starting from Pontoon, on which I'm standing right now. It's made of the plastic which collected from the same river. Door handles and even like this small tiny details and the kayaks there. Everything is just taken to the extremes level of reclaimed, recycled and repurposed materials.
The main campaign of the River Savers is Plastic Cup, where teams are competing for days to collect the most trash out of the rivers. Also, the boat itself have to be made out of trash. Every day tons and tons of rubbish are being collected.
It's 2.7 tons of rubbish.
It's an NGO, and when you buy some of their items, all of the money will go to fund even more cleanups. So you can support them in this way, you can join Plastic Cup, all of the links under the video.
Here's the video from Trash Boat Race, where we built the boats out of trash and sailed all along the Tisa River, collecting even more trash. Subscribe to our channel, support us on Patreon, and be brave to act.